Hey everybody, today we'll do another video, and today we will do a little project that is it's called a micro servo motor. So what we will do is that we will write a program that will turn this motor, as you can see right here. This motor goes only 180 degrees, right? So let's say that I want to just turn 180 degrees. So this motor will just go around and come back, go around and come back, go around and come back that way, right? But today we'll do a for loop, because I think in C, when I did my C++ videos on this channel, I have been writing some for loops. And now we'll kind of put those for loops into work in a kind of real life situation. So what we will do is that we actually will use the Arduino. We use the for loop to turn this 180 degree. Okay, so we go 180 degrees, right? And then go back to close to another 180. We're not gonna just go to complete 180 again, because we have to leave some room for like initial take up, right? So with that being said, let's go to I will show how the wiring is connected. So this. See, when you buy this servo motors, they kind of like that. They kind of with this tail, right? So you got a brown and a yellow and a red, right? So the brown is ground, the red is voltage, and the yellow is the signal, right? So, but then it comes at this end right here, just a female, right? So if you connect this directly to the Arduino, it looks kind of nasty, kind of messy, right? So what I did here is I took male cables and go here. I got it connected. As you can see, the yellow here is coming to this yellow, and it's connected getting to this. It's connected to this yellow right here directly. And going back to pin 3 in the analog part of the Arduino. This is the digital rail of the Arduino. Alright, so I don't know if the camera can actually take a look, but this is the digital rail, and this is right here in the analog part of it. But this right here, this wire is connected to 5 volts, right? So you can see right here, this on the breadboard, you can see that it's connected to. It is connected to this red, which is the hot rail in this breadboard, and then this one is connected to ground, right? So the brown was connected to ground on the green, and the red goes on the red right here. The ground was connected to the ground on the blue rail, and the red is connected on the 5 volt right here continuously to the Arduino on the red, which is the hot, right? So, and then we have this wire going here from the analog pin number 3 goes down all the way down to the signal of the Arduino, to the signal of the micro servo motor in this kind of heat straight, right? So it's kind of messy, but it looks worth if you actually connect it directly to the Arduino. So okay, so let's get started with this. Let's see. Hopefully, I can keep this window up because it's kind of, for some reason, it's kind of hard sometimes to keep that window up. Okay, so I can make it smaller, but okay, I guess not. Okay, so what we can do now is go to the Arduino and we can actually go to new, and let's just start with the new, brand new, right? So here we have, as always, right? We got the board set up, and so of course we will include, right? We'll include a library, right? So now we're doing the program, right? So the hardware, we actually went through the hardware, now we'll do the programming. So we'll do include, and then inside of include, we need to get the servo.h, right? Library. Right? So we need to get that included there. This is similar to C++. The only difference on the Arduino is that I cannot get away with this voice setup. I have to use the voice setups, right? So in the void loop, that is what makes the hardware of the Arduino running, constantly running, right? So we'll do, and we'll declare a variable, right? Why not? We will declare, but when we declare, we have to say servo because that will be working with, and we're doing servo, we can call it whatever. We call it any, servo. See, if you call it again the same name, you gotta be careful. You can call it servo, and then you can call it underscore something else, right? Or you can call it, you can call it servo, and then underscore, whatever, rotate, right? Now that we have that, because we will make that rotate, right? I will rotate back and forth, will not just rotate, but it will kind of sweep around, right? So now, as you can see, that is going to be this is going to go 180 degrees, and then we'll start another 80 degrees coming back here. So back and forth, right? But we will do so we will do here. We can actually read something, right? So we have to start from some type of angle, right? So we can actually we can say angle so we can say angle, oops, and say int, and we can say angle equal to what? We can start 5, I guess, 5. Alright. Now, on the board setup here, we need, with the servo, we need to attach. We need to attach the pin where we're attaching it to. And that's one of the things we have to kind of be careful with. So in this case, we will say servo dot attach, right? And then we will attach the pin. We have to connect that to A3. And if you go to analog, you have to put A3, otherwise it doesn't recognize, Arduino doesn't recognize what on the pin that you're hooking up to. So if it's digital, you just put a number, right? If you're using the digital part, but in this case, I'm using the analog part. So therefore, we have to kind of just put the A3 in there, and then right here we will have to say. So we're gonna say servo dot write and just put angle. And so we have that right now. Let's say that we want to display something. We can say serial dot begin, right? And then we can do 9600. That is normally what we use the bit rate. Now, I mean, you can use different bit rate, but that's what I usually use. So then we can use delay. Delay 1000. Right? So now we have the setup part of it. Now, as you can see, now we're going the while loop. That is one of the things that I would like, it would be nice if they did something different with their things, But the while loop, if you want to control some couple different things inside the while loop, it becomes kind of challenging. So, but in this case, it's going to be a simple thing, so we're not going to have a lot of problem with it. So in the while loop, what we can do, we can actually use a for loop to actually control the motor, right? So basically we can use for, right? For, oops, and capitalize, right? So we can say for, and then inside this we can actually use angle equal to 5, right? That's why we started up. And then, and as you can see, the syntax is the same thing as basically using the C++, right? So now what we can do here is basically say, you will start from, actually, let me start from 0 in this one. let me start from 0. And angle, right, which is this angle, is going to be less or equal to 180, right? And then of course I will say angle right, plus, right? And then of course I close the parentheses there. Now what this will do is that with this for loop, actually I need a set of brackets, right? So so making sure that I have another set of brackets. Do I have another set of brackets for this in the bottom? Okay. Hopefully I do. I think I do. Okay. Alright, so here what I can do is I can say in this loop, I can say servo that right, that angle, right? So I can say servo that right, and then I can say just angle and then angle, and then I will wait for what? Probably, I don't know. So delay 200 milliseconds, just like that. That's 200 milliseconds, right? Remember, we're just trying right now one side, right? So let's try this, and let's let's call it my servo. Alright, so, well, apparently I have an issue somewhere here which says that I have something, and that's why I was trying to see if I was missing another parenthesis. And apparently some of the software that Arduino, they actually let you know you're missing a bracket. This one, I don't know. I mean, it is kind of newer, but it's not letting me know that was missing a bracket. The other one reminds you when you like put the for loop on it and just it is include the bracket on each side. This one it doesn't. But anyway, I think I was missing a bracket, so now it's giving a problem. Okay, the problem would be okay. I have to say here, I have to say whatever I said here, right? So whatever I say in this one, I gotta say it right there. So Okay, so it's going to give us some problems still. Okay, so class Servo has no member name attached. Okay, so is there a specific class I have to use? Okay. So, I mean, I don't think they have to. Okay. I don't think I have to put it in a specific class. My understanding is I don't have to put it in a specific class for that. But, okay. Let's try this again. Okay, let's do. So, hold on a second. If I say Servo, right? Okay. Yeah, but I have to use the variable though. That's the thing. It doesn't make a lot of sense if I don't use the variable. I have to use the variable. That's the whole purpose of using the variable. So I will have to say Servo unless it doesn't like. Okay, just let me change that. It doesn't look. It doesn't like the underscore, which alright, so let's see, maybe we'll give me an error but down here. Okay. Apparently it's not liking it, so did I miss the spell attach? Yep, I think I did. I have an edge here. That's what the problem is. Yep, and it should be that orange too. Okay, never mind. Just let me have it the way that I had it. Has nothing to do with it. So, Servo, right? And then I can say rotate. That's only a variable. So, and just put it right there. And then put it right there. And of course, down here when I did it, it's already there. Okay. So, okay, apparently, okay, of course, So now, let me see. Let me plug in my Arduino. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, so the Arduino is plugged into the computer, and we will see if it uploads. So, as you can see, the Arduino is turning very slowly. It is turning, but it's turning very, very, very slowly. Okay, so let me see. Maybe if I change the time. Here you go. So right now, as you can see, the Arduino, I changed the time, and the Arduino is going 180 degrees. It's doing swift 180 degrees. See that? It's starting from here. It goes up 180. All right, now what I can do is write another for loop to do another sweep. Right, so here I will go ahead and write another for loop, and now I will do another for loop, right? So to start from another, okay, so now we're doing 180, right? This one is sweeping 180, right? You can see that sweeping 180, right? So now you can see that it's sweeping 180. It's going from 180. It is coming back, right? Right? Now, let me see if I can actually do another for loop that does the reverse, right? So it takes care of this area, so you can see there is an area right here that doesn't cover about this area. So let's do another for loop, so we'll kind of sweep almost 360. Let's see. All right, so let's do alright, so if we start at 0, okay, never mind. Alright. Now, let me do another. So now the next one, I will start at some type of angle, right? Starting already at angles equal to something. Okay, so to compensate for that, right, for the angle, right? So, okay, so let's start this a little quick. Okay, so here we'll do another for loop. and I can say, I can say 4, right? And I can say parentheses. See, it doesn't, this one doesn't do another set of bracket for you for some reason, right? And, okay, so here I will do angle equal to 5 or 10. Let's do 5. And then we'll go from there. So let's do 5 and then we'll do angle. Now, in this case, I will have to, I'm not going to change that to less than 180. And here you can say that angle equal angle is greater or equal to, no, it's greater, right? It's greater than 180, right? So because I gotta do greater than 180, I want to go the opposite direction. Now, here you can say angle, right? So angles minus, because I need to go the reverse direction. So and then I can actually just do, servo underscore rotate, and then I can do dot right, and I can do angle, right? So, and then I just close those, right? Then I can delay 15, right? So let's do this. Let's upload the code. And okay. You can see now that it's completing. Let me start at 10. Right? So now let me start at so here is equal to, okay, let me start at 10, and then let me start here because I want to start at 180. So the next one is going to be, the first one is an angle equal, you do equal to 10, then the next angle is going to be at 180, right, to complete the rotation. and 180, and then here is really done 10. Right? So let's try this. There you go. So it's going back and forth, going back and forth. And that's why I told you guys, it's not going to do a full rotation. But it's living. See right here, the difference, that little 10 degree that we actually lost in between there. Let me just make a 5. And make that 5 to kind of see, it's almost completed the whole thing. It's almost sweeping the whole 360 degrees. Okay, so here, what we can do is we can actually write something. We can actually display something in the serial monitor. And we can say analog, right? Analog right, and then we can say angle, right? So we do that, and then we will actually display this in the console. Right, so we can actually say, just do it this way. Oops. Okay. Okay. No, it's Servo. That's what it's connected to. Servo. Underscore. Rotate. Right? So that's what it's connected to. Okay, so apparently so analog right, I thought I was going to be able to display because just the angle is the one that I want to display. So, and what I can do, I don't even have to do that. All I have to do, I have not done Arduino for a long time, so all I can do right here is the following. All I can do is basically I can say serial, and then I can say dot print, and then I can say inside here I can say angle, right? That's right. I need to display the angle. That's all I need to do in the serial monitor. Okay, so and then I can say, here I can say print ln, right? So now let's actually see the serial monitor. You can see how the, say, you go to 180 and then go back, right? You go to 180 and then go back. All right, so let's copy this here, and then so you can actually just see how now it will do the reverse. It will start from 180 minus, right? From 180 going down to 0. Close to 0 because we got a 5 in there. So we can see. Here you go. Here you go. See, it's very hard to see, but you can actually see that goes kind of in the low numbers. Okay, so so that means that this is working, right? So now, say we can do something like this, and then, or maybe we can eventually we might add, like a distance sensor, for example, like if the distance of something approaching, the sensor is how many, is 5 feet, then it will trigger. It will trigger the little, it will trigger the signal, right? And then so we can actually do that probably, So it's a pretty cool project actually, just playing with this Servo. So yeah, so I hope you learned something today, about using a micro servo for projects like this. And what I did here, just put a piece of tape. You can see right here. This thing is kind of hard to hold it in place, just by itself, because those wires like add a lot of attention to it, and it's hard to keep it in place standing out by itself. So what I did was actually put a little tape on it and that really holds the little thing in place. And yeah, so that's it, guys. That's it for today on this little project with the Arduino microcontroller and the micro servo motor. Again, thank you for watching. I will probably just, see if I can add up some more videos and using Arduino. Maybe I will do the Raspberry Pi too. I will try to set up the Raspberry Pi and show you guys how to do an initial setup of the Raspberry Pi. Thank you for watching. And remember to, subscribe and comment, share this video with somebody who wants to learn some basic electronics and programming. Thank you for watching.